Introducing our latest creation, an exquisite installation of high-quality artificial falling plant creepers designed to bring a touch of nature to any space. Crafted with precision, these ultra-realistic artificial creepers mimic the elegance of natural plants, creating a refreshing and vibrant atmosphere. Housed in a premium rectangle fibre planter, this setup not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also ensures durability and sophistication for any indoor or outdoor setting. Perfect for photography studios, home decor, offices and commercial spaces, our artificial falling plant creepers redefine greenery with elegance and convenience. SS Garden Collection, Mumbai. For orders and inquiries, 998 718 7186. Only WhatsApp, no calls please. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, subscribe us on YouTube now for more green inspirations. SS Garden Collection, Mumbai, online trusted. Brand since 2011. Thank you for watching.